go see James at Auto Protocol, and brought the car up here, and all the things that the dealer had told me was wrong with the car, there was nothing wrong with it, and I had that car till it had 240,000 miles.
From tires to oil changes to state inspections, computer problems, or an engine replacement, we're your one-stop shop.
I've been using Auto Protocol for our vehicles for about 18 or 19 years. I tell all my friends and colleagues to bring their cars here, and we'll continue to do that.
Take advantage of our bumper-to-bumper service for $49 and get a free oil change.